All right, let's do the mathematics. Okay, let me just clear everything out. So for example, int 8. Okay, that means it's 8 bits. Okay, and is it signed or unsigned? We don't have a U, so it's signed. Okay, so if it's signed, we got positive or negative, so you have to save 1 bit for sign. And of course, in two complements, that just to flip it, we have to like doing this complement, like reverse things. I will show you. Okay, so for example, let's calculate what is the like a minimum number that this int 8 can represent. Think about this. Minimum is signed it. Okay, so get negative 2 raised to the power of 8 subtracted by 1. Okay, so that will give you minus 128. Okay, and max, we got positive sign, right? So 2 raised to the power, right? This is like raised to the power of a minus by 1. Okay, 1 for the sign, right? And then subtract by 1 because start counting with 0, right? So avoid double counting. That will give you 127. That's the range. Okay, the storage size is 1 byte, 8 bits. So the range will be the minus 128 all the way to the positive 127. That's how many data that this int 8 can contain, right? So basically, if you declare this int 8, that means, well, they give you this range, like this size of the box that you can contain all the data inside. Okay, I can only contain this. More than that, it can't contain. Okay, just think of it as a box. Well, the same goes for, unsigned int 8. This is like no sign, so the minimum will be start at 0. Okay, and the maximum, pretty simple, 2 raised to the power of 8. No need to subtract by 1 because no need for the sign, right? And things don't count n. Don't want to double count n. You count n start with 0, right? Don't want to double count 0. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, subtract that by 1. That will be the maximum number. Okay, here comes the interesting part. Let me show you. So, where is it? Yeah, I'm going to give you the calculator. And 2, I'm going to use the scientific, right? So 2 raised to the power of 8, 256. This is a pretty similar number than 255. Remember, you don't want double. You don't want to, you start counting with 0. So the top will be this number subtract by 1. So subtract by 1. That's the maximum number. Wow, 255. Okay, and that is the number that when you see where you say, for example, you adjust the color, that will be 0 all the way to 255. Okay, that's it. That's it. Basically, you're using this to store a different channel of color. Okay, 255. As simple as that. Okay. Okay. If you know that, the same goes for int 16 and 32, something like that. You can calculate that as well. So int 16. Okay, unsigned int 16 and int 32 and unsigned int 32. Okay, I already write this down, and I want to leave you a little bit challenge. Okay, I want you, of course, you can't possibly do that by hand. You use the scientific computer, and you calculate that, just like how we calculate the int 8 and unsigned int 8. Calculate the minimum value and maximum value. Okay, and pause the video, and in the next video, I'm going to show you the answer. All right.